Welcome back, dear Instagram users. If you've ever wanted to update or correct the birth date on your Instagram profile, you've come to the right place. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you in detail how to easily change your birth date and refresh information on your Instagram profile. So, let's get started. First, go to your Google Play Store or App Store and check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app. If not, click the update. Once done, enter your Instagram app. Now, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Now, click on the first option, Settings and Privacy. Click on Account Center. Find the Personal Details option and enter it. Now, click on the Birthday option. Click Edit. This birthday is used for the accounts and profiles in this account center. Any changes you make will apply to all of them. Next, click on the field where the birth date is displayed. Now, you can change your birth date. When finished, click Set, then Save. Click Confirm. Your birth date is now changed. If you enjoyed the video, click like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon. Goodbye.